Hey guys, it's Joy once again and welcome to my channel. So in today's video guys, I got this Oraimo Smart Watch, and guys, I've been wanting to get a smartwatch for the longest time. So I decided to get this very affordable option, which is Oraimo, and it has so many features. If you're a fitness person, this would also work for you and you would love it. So just unboxing it now. And honestly, one thing I would say is that Oraimo and your packaging. Oraimo went to Harvard to study packaging. Honestly, guys, Oraimo's packaging is lovely in all their products. They do so well in packaging their products, and I love it. So this is what the packaging looks like up close. I'm showing that to you now. And the reason why I got this watch was because I wanted to track my calorie burnout and also count my steps. So this watch can do that. It can track your calories, it can count your steps. If you're a fitness person, you would love this watch so much. There are so many fitness activities you can do with this watch. You can swim with it, you can walk with it, you can run, you can you can hike, you can do so many things you want to do with this watch. So now I am just unboxing it. There is a seal just at the bottom here. I'm just pulling that out now and you'll watch me do the rest, okay? So guys, on opening the box, you will see how beautifully placed the watch is, and just beneath the watch you will find the user manual. It is kept in this pocket over here. Oraimo and packaging. It is kept in this pocket over here. You can open it up, go through it in case you're having any difficulty operating this watch. Everything is in here, okay? So beneath the watch you will find the charger cord, the USB charger. So guys, and thank God. I am so happy that this charger came with length. Like, this charger is long. If you buy Oraimo products, you will know Oraimo can be very stingy with the length of their USB cord, but thank God this is a bit longer. And also guys, this is what the connector looks like. This is how it's going to be connected to your watch. So guys, that's it about then. Now bringing out the star of the show, which is the watch. This is what it looks like. It looks slick, it looks beautiful. I don't know, the watch is just so beautiful, and I love the strap so much, guys. The strap has this 3D effect on it, and I love the fact that the buckle, the holes where you need to like put in the buckle is like punctured all the way to like almost the end. So even if you have like a really small wrist, this would fit you, okay? And guys, this is the sensor of the watch. This is what the sensor looks like, and this is what tracks what your body does. Now time to peel off that sticker from the watch, and this is what the watch looks like, guys. This is the screen. I have been using this for a while now, and guys, I can say this screen is really thick. Like, the glass is really thick. It is also anti-scratch, and this is me just trying to like place the connector, the charger connector to the watch. As you can see, it's actually magnetic. And guys, also looking at the side of the watch, as you can see, there is this all-purpose button. I think that's what it's called. There's a button here, and trying to put on the watch, I noticed the watch was really low. It actually did not come on. Yeah, so I tried to charge the watch a bit till it comes on, and charge a little before showing you guys what this watch has, okay? So guys, it took about a few minutes for the watch to come on, and as you can see, the charging indicator, it is very low. So I left the watch to charge for a while. I wasn't really counting. And also guys, turning to see the back of the watch, we can see that the sensor blinks. Okay, so I just left this to charge for a while, and I will get back when it's at least charged enough for me to use it. And guys, about the price, I think I got this watch for about 16,000 naira. I'm not sure, I really can't remember. I will put the price on the screen, the exact amount I got it. But if you're in Nigeria and you want to get this, we all know that there is an inflation right now and a lot of things are getting expensive. So if you go check this product out and you see it is more expensive than that, just know it is Buhari's fault, okay, and not Oraimo's fault. So that is it. I hope you still get it at the same amount I got it, but I got it for about 16ish. I'll put the exact price on the screen. So guys, the watch is charged enough, not full, but charged enough for me to show you guys what it does. I just placed it now on my wrist, and guys, honestly, real life, I have a very small wrist, okay. Most of my watches, when I get watches, I still have to go like amend them and make them like really tight to my size, but this is what I was talking about. It fits my wrist perfectly. So guys, this is just some of the features it has. I think I swiped to the left or the right, I'm not sure. When you get the watch, you can just, you know, practice and you would see. And these are some of the activities you can do. You can run with it, you can work with it, you can swim, there are so many activities you can do. While doing that, it tracks your it tracks your steps, it tracks your heart rate, it tracks the amount of calories you have lost, and at the end of the workout, it gives you like your data, as you can see. And so guys, there is another feature which is called status. This is just after the workout feature, and that feature just helps you to know how many steps you've walked, how many calories you've burnt, how many kilometers you've walked. So I walked around a bit, and as you can see, I have walked about 16 steps. I haven't lost like so much calories since I wore the watch. That's why you can see the calorie is 0. And after that guys, you will see another feature called heart rate, which is HR, and that feature just helps you to, you know, monitor your heart rate, your beats per minute, and it also helps you to monitor your sleep. This watch can monitor your sleep. Like when you wake up in the morning, you can literally see how long you slept. That is so cool. And so many other feature this watch does. You can check the time, you can connect it to your music, you can connect this to your phone so you can get your notifications, and so many other features guys. I really love this watch. It is so versatile, but to get the full potential of this watch, you need to connect it to an app, which I actually made a video about. Yeah, so let me know guys if you would want me to show you how I set the watch up with the app. I actually filmed that. Let me know if you also want that and if you would find that helpful. And oh my god, I am missing the most important part. If you're a lady and you would like to get this watch can help you track your menstrual cycle guys. I find that really cool, but you can only do that if you connect the watch to the app. So I feel that video would be very helpful. Yeah, and I would definitely drop it after this video, so guys, stay tuned. So guys, that's all. I really enjoyed unboxing this video with you. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'll definitely put the details of this watch in my description box, so you can just click the link and see where I got the watch directly. So this is what my watch looks like after customizing the watch to my taste. Pretty cute. I love it. So guys, that's the end of this video. I really enjoyed filming this. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, okay, and leave some comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.